it's okay, because any minute now, Linda will find us.
Oh, great. And then she'll stick us behind another set of bars, right?
Yeah, I mean, no.
Look, Pet, cages might work for you, but I don't want to belong to anyone.
Something seems to be lodged in my beak. Would you mind? I know I'm not a pretty birdie, but I used to be quite a looker. A star. Lights, camera, action. I was striking, suave, ambitious, feet to beak, super delicious. Now I'm vile. I am villainous, vicious. Oh, and malicious. I had it all. A TV show, women too. I was tall, over 1'2". Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do. So young and vital. A South American idol. Who said that about me? I'll have you rotisseried. I'm a feathery freak with a beak, a bird murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard of you. I'm evil. I'll fill your cheese balls with weevils. I poop on people and I blame it on seagulls. It was him.
He's a nasty boy.
I'm invincible.
He's nasty.
I'm unminsable. I'm unwashable. Unrinsable. Like an abandoned school, I have no principle. All of you Brazilian birds. All 80 million birds. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you. Shut up. Shut up. It's just me. I will make you ugly. Too.
Hey!
Sweet nightmares.
Not cool, man. Scary, but not cool. Hey, are you okay?
No, I am definitely not okay.
Whoa, wait, what are you doing?
Getting out of here. Even help me to walk.
Actually, all the survival guides say to sit and wait, and help will come.
No one is coming. We're on our own, and if we just sit here, we're going to die. We're good. Let's stay out of here.
Yes! No! Nigel, get out of the way. Stop! Why don't you just open the door?
Are you kidding me?
What? It's just a standard Phillips light bulb. Just rotate it.
What are you doing?
Oh, I can't.
What? You can't what?
I can't fly!
You couldn't tell me this before now.
It did it better before now. I hate you.
Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, I can fly. I pick my beak, and once in a while I pee in the bird bath. Happy?
This guy giving you trouble, sis?
Sis?
That's right. These are my brothers.
There they are.
We gotta get out of here.
Wait, listen to me. Flying may not be my thing, but walking is. Follow my lead. Inside leg, outside leg.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Inside, outside.
See? I'm bilingual too.
Oh, this is great. I'm sure you're the only bird in the world who can't fly.
Actually, there are about 40 species of flightless birds.
Duck!
No, ducks can fly.
No! Duck!
Yes!